Yes, one of them is down. And he's in the wall. I now have a gun. Bitches. Hello and welcome to Let's Play Mirror's Edge. So, we haven't been here in a while. Sorry, it just closed on me. Didn't ask for it to crash. And yeah, so we're checking it out again, taking it down and on and up, and as said. And I forget where we are. I've actually have to come back to a bunch of games. So Madfall is another one I'm gonna do next, and I haven't played in a long time. Completely forgot how to play. So yay! Okay, where go? Oh shit! What am I doing this time? Ah, run! Okay, just gotta get used to the controls again. Does that work? All right, I am now down. Whoa. Well, could have died. Could have, but didn't. No, I should probably be back up there. All right, wall run. Yes. It's not like that other game, part of the game where I just kept falling off these things. Okay. Oh boy. What? I reached the top of that. Well, that's not good. Are those feathers? These are feathers. Pigeons! Pigeons! Oh, I can deal with pigeons. Very well. Hop over the van. None shall see me now.
Onto the overpass at section 3 and 4.
Where is section 3 and 4? I feel like the cops are going to see me. I hope they don't.
Up on that overpass before they fill you full of holes.
I'm trying. Oh god. Run, 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 run.
More blues on the way.
Wait, did I go the wrong way? What did I do? Are they coming toward me? Oh, good, I figured it out. Ah, suckers. You're not gonna be able to catch me now. Whoa. And I fucked up. I pressed the jump button, I just didn't. Oh, really? Really? I start back here? You know what game? I'm getting... Oh, that was a rat. I'm getting real tired of your shit. Really, really tired of your shit. Okay, I know I made a mistake, but honest to freaking God, man. Like, sending me this far back? Check... What the fuck was that? You call that a jump? Alright, well, this is... Oh, maybe this side will be easier. Jump. There we go. Okay. Now I can get up here and get shot at. Because everybody loves getting shot at. And I got shot at. And there we are. And there we go. And that is the wrong way. Don't want to get shot. No, thank you. Okay. There we go. Running. Sports. Parkour. Oh! God fucking damn it. No. No. I don't want to play this game at all anymore. I'm 4 minutes in and oh my god, why? Oh my god, no! You stupid rat. The rat, it's all the rat's freaking fault. Oh my god. This is worse than a horror game. My heart just gave out. I didn't think it'd be right there. Oh my god. Oh, fuck. Frickin' shit, this isn't fun at all. Oh, stop shooting. You're not gonna hit me. Oh, well, they hit me. Did not think so. Alright. Where the fuck are these trains? Oh my god! I can't hear you, sir. Okay. Oh, the plane shooting at me. I don't know where to go. Okay.
Get a freaking move on, Fig. Don't let that bird make you.
I got hit from behind, didn't I? Motherfucker. Motherfucker! This game! Fuck this. Just gonna kill myself. Ugh. Okay. Okay.
Should be a way up
I
on
can
the
do this.
overpass in section 3 and 4.
That's great, Sonny. You know what? You know what? Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back.
Can't hear you. Maybe if we had a better signal.
Okay, hopefully that's better. I've changed the settings to raise the volume of the dialogue because I can't hear jack shit. And apparently subtitles just don't like playing. Or I don't like reading. One or the other!
More blues on the way.
Oh, I can hear him a little bit better. Almost fall. Take a step back, jump. Yeah, I've already got into a rhythm for this bullshit. No, that's wrong. That's the wrong button. There, that's the right. Fuck. The button layout confuses me a little bit. I'm guessing there's a freaking train coming. There's one. And there's two. I still can't hear him. Alright, I'm just gonna run this way. If I die, I die. This way I can at least see the train coming. Oh shit. Train, protect me. I don't. Oh look! I went the right way. Whee! Who knew? Okay, going, running. Shit! Open the. Ooh, hello, white and red, my favorite colors. Okay, I'm safe now, right? Fuck, I'm gonna be outside again. Whoa! Oh, I am outside. Very briefly. I don't like fighting the cops. Shit, they're here. Oh my god, they're here! Get away! Oh god. Oh, I hate cops. Oh my gosh. The Royals, all but forgotten. Where has the revolutionary group, famously defined as our generation's most glorified terrorist, gone? The history is unclear. Oh, great. No birds in the sky. Time to run. Oh, crap. Something's coming. I hear a helicopter. Or maybe I don't. Who really knows? Not really sure where I'm running. Oh, follow the red. Yeah. Still following the red. Follow the blood. It's the same sort of thing. We signify so much red with danger, but it can also be like a path to lead the way. While running. Okay.
Blue's moving to the roofs ahead. Looks like you're gonna have a fight on your hands.
No, thank you. Hello. I do not want to fight. Oh, well, I'm dead now. Oh! 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 I'm alive. Are they shooting at me? Fuck. It's there. I want to go down. But I have to, don't I? This game making me fight these biatches. Well, hello. I missed everything. Everything. Oh, well, it brought me to where I needed to be. Whoa, that's not where I need to be. It's very easy to just jump and die here. Hello. Just faint already. Oh, fuck. I hate these games where there's no obvious form of life. It's 2 or 3 hits and you're dead. And once you're dead, you're dead. And I can't remember the controls well enough to... How do I steal weapons again? That didn't work. I tried. It doesn't like me. It doesn't get in the game. Come at me, you little pansy. Yeah? I pressed the button at the right time. Where's my superpowers? I don't remember what the button my superpowers were. Okay, we're gonna keep trying this. I got this time. Right? Show me the magic! Yeah, that's right, in the face. There we go. Okay, I am safe. Okay, one little bitch down. 2 little bitches down. Oh, I found the superpowers. Try. Everything is slow. Okay. Trying to pick up weapon. Maybe wrong weapon. Whatever. Let me pick up the fudge. Alright, well, we're just gonna have to go. Not sure where. That is not the right way. Let us be free, like the unicorn. It's that way. Found it. Where was I spotted? How did you see me? What am I doing? Whoa. Okay, can't do that. Where am I being shot from? Can somebody stop shooting me? Hello. Safety. Couldn't catch it at first, but I'm safe now. Yeah. Shit. Someone is shooting at me. Where? Oh, up there. And I gotta go up, of course. Woo! And we'll break off here. Freedom. Oh shit. Yeah.
You're doing good. Mom's just a few blocks ahead.
Oh. Okay. I thought I was dead. Keeps happening. Okay. The beginning of this game, the beginning of this episode, I died, and it was painful, deathly painful, so bad. Okay. Almost died again. Today, luck is on my side. Oh, hello. Woo! Pigeons! That didn't work. Press the button. Didn't work. Can we take the bike? Let's go. We're going for a ride. Okay. Climb, we go. Oh, I see a bird. No, that's a plane. Maybe it... No, it's not Superman. It's a plane. What? Oh, see, it works now, but it didn't work in that other episode that was pissing me off. Okay, I'm probably near the end of the level.
You're home for the mall, Faith.
Okay, it is getting really blindingly white. Where am I going? Do I have to run across the wall there? Alright, I better get a good start here. Oh shit. This is not gonna go in well. Nope, didn't end well at all. Nope. And you can see me like leaning forward. I'm so into this. Like I want to succeed. And it's just scaring the crap out of me. No, maybe that's not the way I'm supposed to go. I don't know, it feels like it is. It is. That is the right way. But how? No, I can't. I keep leaning forward, but I can't grab onto it. I just want to. Oh, why can't I just grab the edge? Come on, if I lean, she'll do it. If I lean, I can get there. Why can't I just grab on? Why? Well, no, that was very bad. Very bad. Very, very, very bad. You know what? Fuck this. I'm falling. Free falling. I just gave up on that one. I didn't actually press the button. Is this it for me? Is this where I give up? Is there... Nothing! Didn't even grab! I just want to grab onto the edge. Just like, let me grab onto the edge. Okay, let's try something new. Oh my god, that worked. It was a combination of bullshit, and it worked. Wow. Wow. It worked. My combination of utter, complete crap managed to do it. I am so proud of myself right now. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Oh, yay. Red. Simple. Easy. Oh, fuck. Attacking. Oh, fudge nuggets. Running, running.
You should be able to get to the mall without being shot at.
Oh, boy. That didn't work. Oh, there's another runner. There's another runner over there. What does it mean? What is his name? He's got a gun. He's not a runner. Whoa, no. Where'd he go? Oh, this is the way. Okay. Running. Jump. I'm good. Made it. Okay. Now, a lot of this has to do with, like, really quick. Like, okay, this is the way you're supposed to go, and if you don't go that way, you're probably going to die. Like, you can get lucky, sure. But it's not guaranteed. Hello, little scrap of paper. Woo, I like this office. Ooh, the black. Oh. Oh, my God. This is the kind of office I want. Okay. The new Eden Mall. This is your paradise. I don't read that language. Grand opening. Lung spray. Lung spray. Bug spray. Lung spray, my bad. Callahan. FINS corporate openness. What? Oh crap. The cops are here. Why are the tops of buildings always, like, not done yet? Wow. Never mind. Maybe that was the bottom. I'm gonna die here. This is where I die. Where am I getting into the mall? I want to do some shopping. Nope. Well, it's actually pretty peaceful. Just sit here, enjoy the silence, listen to the birds. There's no way in this industrialized area that you can hear that many birds. You'd hear more cars. Let's see this. They won't eat their vegetables? Try them on Vegade. Could have had a V8, right? Here, 5 a day in a can. No. I have a hate-hate relationship with vegetables. Oh, hello. And it's just so bad. Huh. Huh. Oh, aha! Another combination thing. I pressed the wrong button. Gonna just back this up again. Let's go. And we're in. We're into the pipes. I hear someone. Sounds like science. I think I was supposed to go down there. But I'm not. Sorry. Well, red door. Red door number 1. And behind red door number 1 is another red door number 2. And we're in the mall now. Oh, cool. We end up with... I heard cops.
Ropeburn was meant to be meeting his little friend in the atrium, right? Well, it should be just
I found them. There they are. Hey, hey, buddy. Why are you waiting for me? I'm gonna catch up with you. I didn't hear the instructions before I got killed. Nope. 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 I'm dead. I didn't even get through the door. What kind of a pot? What? Oh, fuck no. Okay, what are my instructions? Do I go up? Oh, God, no. Alright, I just guessed. It was the only avenue of escape. What do I do?
Something about that on the wire.
Oh, I gotta jump. Running. I hate cops. Did I tell you that? I hate the police.
Climb up towards the upper levels.
What? Climb. I just went down. Oh, well, there's some stairs. Let's catch those stairs. Next thing you know, explosion! No, you have to take a different route. Hate video games that do this. Well, no, I don't. And this is one of the best parkour video games I've ever played. Alright. I don't know. Okay, I'm up. Oh, no, they're coming up too.
Gotta get to the roof, Faith.
I believe you. But where is said roof?
All's got some support structures and maintenance areas at the top. There should be a way out up there.
Heh, cop. Can't catch me. Yeah, they don't know where I am. Little bitches. Probably run around like, where's this little guy?
Keep going.
Oh, they found me. Oh, shit.
You think rope burns up?
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, stop! Okay. Oh, this is a doozy.
Get higher, Faith.
Okay, I'm getting higher. Fuck. Wait, you want me on cloud 9? You want me to smoke some dank weed? This is gonna kill me right here. This game is... There, I locked out it for you. You're welcome. I need to get through here without dying. God damn it! Stop getting hurt. Wow. It is dark in here. Let's go toward the lights. No, that was wrong. Then again, it might have been right. Let's head over there. I got nowhere else to go. Did they see me? Oh shit. Can I go up here, or do I go through here? Oh shit!
Goddamn machine gun.
Hello? Oh. I didn't know what I was supposed to do. Oh, fudge. Excuse me. Can you break all this glass for me, please? Thank you. You want to come in? Come in, please. Alright, fuck you. No, run! Damn. Damn! Damn! Where do I go? Which button was it? There was a button that tells me where to go. I don't know. And I missed. I missed my spot. That did not work again. No. No. No! Hello. Goodbye. Oh, shit. And the many faces of failure. No! No! No, I didn't... Ah! Ah! Wow. I hit something and it killed me. Ah.
Oh shit, Faith, they have a goddamn machine gun.
You know what else they have? This guy's got a bullet to the face. How are you close enough to do that? And why did you take 2 shots to the face to kill you? You're not human. You're the Terminator, aren't you? Can't trust a bitch. Well, this will be fun to cut. Oh, we're good. We're good. Oh god, run, run, run. Okay. They cannot get me now. I am home free. Finally did it. So tired of this bullshit. Whoa. Okay. Lag. Lag is coming. I'm like a snake.
Should be one last door and you're out of there.
I'm free.
Looks like my little friend is back.
Think he's the assassin?
Pigeons.
I don't know, but I think I know someone who does.
Hey, friend. Wait, you weren't a friend. The cops protected you. You're a little bitch. We did it. We did it. Although I fucked up many times. We did it. Love you guys. Yeah. All right. Ooh, a soft fellow. Ooh,
Hey,
feminism.
nice of you to drop by.
With a little bit of persuasion, Ropeburn was pretty chatty. Told me about his meeting with Pope's killer at the mall.
And you're thanking me, right?
But when I got there, guess who was waiting for me?
No idea, Faithy. I just go there for the pretzels.
Bad case of the blues. You wouldn't happen to know anything about that, would you?
No!
Sadness.
Faithy, it wasn't
Depression
me.
comes with love guns in the future. What does that sign say? Securing your
If I
dreams.
wanted you dead, don't you think I would have just killed you myself?
As if you
You're
could.
right. A creep like you couldn't have organized that.
Now, don't be like that.
Ropeburn's dead.
Burn.
I'm impressed.
Wasn't me.
You need to be careful who you hang around with.
Oh, I learned that a long time ago.
And yet, here we are again. But I'm afraid I'm
This
gonna
guy, I
have
don't
to
like
cut
him.
this little meeting
I don't like his
short.
character.
Faithy.
The
Places
dick.
to be. You know how it is. Try not to get
Securing your
yourself killed.
world. That's funny.
Merc, you can stop pretending not to listen now.
What's up?
Can you do a search on Pirandello Kruger Security?
On it.
Why do you ask?
Been seeing their name around. In Ropeburn's
His office and somewhere else.
distinctive logo. Getting anything?
Just what you'd expect. Alarms, fencing, armored cars, private security. Oh, and they secure our world, apparently.
Where are they based?
A few offices around town. Just got a new place down near the docks.
Get me
There's a
some
new
coordinates.
player in town.
I'm gonna go check it out.
And they're a bit protective. Okay. I've had a long day. Alright, guys. So, once this
Head toward
happens,
the building with the big stupid dog.
that'll be the end of the episode.
Loading bay should be a way in.
Great. Okay, guys. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this episode, there's a lot of screaming involved, like very violent deaths. If you guys watched it, thank you so much. Yeah, if you guys liked it, press the little like button. If you guys want to see more of our content, you can hit subscribe. And above all, thank you again so much for watching these. Whether you contribute to one view and you didn't like it, or if you actually watched the whole thing and you loved it. So thank you all, even for just glancing at this. I hope you all have a great gamer days, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys. Here you stand, Lord of the Isle. None shall pass. Here you stand, a prisoner. Oh, we hear that light music. There's a little light, and then there's this bang, 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 bang. Menu. Okay. God, that's such a loud menu.